Muthoni here, and I know I've been missing for a couple of weeks. That's sad, but I am so excited for this new project, and I felt like I needed to do a small intro because the project that I'm introducing, which is going to be the videos that we'll be sharing, I'll be sharing in the next couple of weeks. This project has been a 2-bedroom makeover, so it's like literally building furniture from scratch, doing everything. It was an empty house, and then we've turned it into a beautiful living space. I don't know if I want to do like a sneak preview for you. Like, I'll put a photo. I will work out a photo for you to see a preview, but I'm really excited to be sharing this particular project with you. So for this first video, because it's going to be multiple videos, I am going to be showing how we went shopping. We mostly went thrifting. The reason I felt the need to have this particular video by itself is because of the fact that this video has multiple this video has multiple projects happening at the same time, and multiple rooms being done at the same time, so everything is happening simultaneously, but the uploads are going to be sectioned into rooms. So we'll do, each room gets a video or two for some of them. For this time we're going Hollywood. We are doing things that's Joey's over here. We are doing things a little differently, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So we have a lot of DIYs. We have a makeover for a 2-bedroom house, and I love how it turned out. It was a very beautiful project for me. I really enjoyed the process. I've been enjoying myself while we've been working, and I can't wait to share the videos with you for you to see what I've been working on. The reason I missed the uploads and stuff, like, I want you to see what caused that. Hola, hi, welcome back. So it is what is it? It is Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, and I'm really excited for the project we are doing today. So it's gonna be like so we're doing a project, okay? This coming week we are doing this amazing project for the entire week, and what we are doing is a 2-bedroom house, and we are going to do everything from picking rags to furniture. We're like doing a whole makeover to an empty space. And today we are doing 2 things. So today we are, 1, going to buy paint, and 2, we are going to toy for thrift shopping. We are going to look for rags and see if we can find some interesting things, and we are doing this for Vivian. So Vivian is a new friend I made through another friend who I also happen to so Vivian is a new friend. I made that friend from an old friend of mine who happens to be a mutual friend, but I'd also met Vivian sometime last year in like one occasion, and then she became a follower and that's how we're here today. So we are doing a whole 2-bedroom, and we are literally doing everything. We're making furniture, we are making decor, we're painting, we are changing light fixtures. Oh my god, I'm like super excited. Just hope it won't rain. It looks very cold and gray, so my plan is to just wear a jacket over the sweater and then, you know, stay warm. Okay, cool. I feel like I've spoken for like 10 minutes, which is like a lot of time. So yeah, I did speak for a lot. So let's go paint shopping.
Welcome to my new house.
Thank you.
Karibu.
It's empty.
Unfortunately, it's empty, but you have Muthoni.
So Muthoni has come.
My name is Vivian, and I was so inspired with Muthoni, and I wanted to make this big, spacious house. Something that I would love. I'll just take you through. So this is the sitting area, living area. Let's start with the kitchen. The kitchen. And then the bedroom. And then the second bedroom. I don't know why people put so many closets. If it was up to me, I'd love like them to be removed and then have just like a simple closet. And then the best part, the doors are so detailed. Look at this. That's the good thing with all the houses. Plus the floor. It's a nice one. And then we have a whole hallway to the bathroom. Yeah. And the toilet and the bathroom. So, Muthoni,
Yes.
it's up to you.
It's up to me.
Yeah.
Little old me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'm scared.
Bye.
Hola, so I am back home. I am exhausted. It's like 6 p.m. and it's been a full day of working, but shut up, Clover. This is Clover. Wait. It's just shouting at me. So it was a day well spent. We found a lot of really good pieces with really good prices, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to finally get started, which we are doing on Monday. So whatever that means, because I don't know what that was, but I'm really tired. I'm excited still. So what I want to do is shower and chill for the rest of the evening. Oh crap, yeah, that way. Yeah. For the past like 3 weeks, I've been working on a particular project. We're doing a two-bedroom makeover, two-bedroom house makeover. It's an apartment, and we had to build everything from scratch, like from beds to like we literally built up stuff, and it's been fun. It was amazing. I was tired, exhausted, in pain, but all completely worth it. So the reason I wanted to sit down and do this with you, Joey, we're not going to do that today. Joey, we are not doing that. You are messing up my seat. Sorry about that. The rude interruption. That was Joey. I built a bed from scratch, as in, hey, I have surprised myself. I have surprised myself this past 2 weeks. And then when you're watching and you're like, oh, I like her, please subscribe if you haven't already. We are almost at 10K. We are like, I'm doing math in my head. About 750, not 850 and 20, like 820 subscribers away from 10K. So if you have not subscribed, get me to 10K, please. We can do it. We can get to 10K. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again here on Tuesday with the first DIYs, like the bulkier DIYs for the living room of this particular house. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye. Oh, and enjoy your Valentine's Day. And if you don't have anyone telling you this, I love you. Okay? So I love you. Have an amazing Valentine's weekend if you're doing a weekend. And if you have nothing else to do, you can just sit in the house and watch TV and treat yourself to something. Like take yourself for dinner or make yourself like a meal you know you'll enjoy. Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye.